Yeah, so off-grid systems we do for a lot of new homes that are built in remote areas. It's very expensive for these customers to connect to the grid. And they also, I guess once they're connected, they have the peace of mind that they're living off the grid, free of energy bills. They're not subject to any blackouts or grid interruptions. So it's a really good lifestyle for them, and they can build in a nice location or where they want to build. Yeah, they are more complex. I guess with an off-grid system, you're really developing a strong relationship with your customer. First at the design, you've got to design the system correctly. And then I guess after sales is very important with off-grid. You've got to be there for them. You are part of their energy company, if you like, or you're in that relationship, so you do have to be able to provide a good service, and we do that with online monitoring. We're there 24-hour support if needed. Being in the industry for quite some time, I've seen a big change in the market, and I guess it's inspiring, that communities and homeowners can create their own energy at a local level, and I believe that's where the future's heading, and to become more sustainable as a community and taking ownership of our own generation, developing microgrids and becoming more sustainable and insulating ourselves from, I guess, the bigger energy companies or the bigger generators in Australia.